Alright guys, what's going on? Today, we are going to be pulling the front core support off. The radiators, the condenser, all that good nonsense. So let's get to it. In case you guys were wondering, taking the core support off consists of a bunch of 10 mils, a bunch of 13s. As you guys can see now, I got most of the wiring harness undone. Now I'm going to take this hood latch piece off, and then I should be almost ready to. Then I have to get somebody over here to suck the Freon out of the condenser and run the radiator. I should be able to pull it all off. Alright guys, in case you guys were wondering, there's actually a hood latch box right here that I should be able to open and disconnect it so I can actually leave the hood latch and take this whole piece completely off of the van instead of just swinging it over the fender. Alright, as you guys can see now, I have it open. Basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Pull this out. Nope, I can't do it one-handed. I'll get back with you guys after I get it off. Alright guys, just like that, you just pull it out, pop this off. Boom, there we go. Now I should be able to pull this whole hood latch piece off in one go. pulled the hood latch off. Next, I'm gonna work on getting these coolers out of the way so I don't damage them. And I'm pulling the whole force out. Let's get to it. Alright, so the Freon guy just got done sucking the Freon out of this condenser, so now we're set to take it out. But let me show you guys something weird that I saw. Well, most of the time you guys have to undo the bolt on this. But as I look closer, if you take these covers off, it's actually just a snap ring. You can undo the snap ring and the whole line comes out. I've never seen that before. It might sound like a noob right now, but I thought that was really cool. But anyways, guys, let's get to pulling these coolers off. Alright guys, as you guys can see, the whole front end torn apart. That'll be it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.